act away. I never trusted the way that she doing shit. Driving me crazy, I feel like I'm ludicrous. Wanted my money, she wanted the Louboutins. She never loved me, she told me she threw it in. I asked her why she coming back and she told me she's sorry and she'll never know. Think it's ironic, she called me on private as soon as them diamonds would cover my thumb. She got a new nigga but he looking sloppy, I'm not being cocky but she just a hoe. I wondered if she was a thotty, the way that she taught me, man, I should've known. She wanna fuck with a winner but she a beginner and she switching teams. I figured that there was a reason that she would just hit me and fucking with me. Back in the day she ain't looking my way, all of a sudden she turned to a fiend. She wanted the clout, she wanted the bands, little baby just wanted my green. She wanna run through the city cause she fucking with me in my attire. She sticking with me, I know that she pin me, I know she ain't a rider. It ain't no kizzy, I'm all on my busy and going until she tired. Keeping it fitty, I had to go missing, I kicked her out like she fire. I know she a liar, I don't wanna try her. 𝗏𝗡, all these niggas tryna buy her. I know she a liar, I don't wanna try her. 𝗏𝗡, all these niggas tryna buy her.
Save me, I needed you to save me. But every single time you break me, every single time you break me. Ooh, you break me down, you wear me out. I can't breathe now, you let me down again. You let me down, really hurts bad cause I need you now. In a messed up place, my head spins round. You're the only kind of drug that can calm me down. But you left me alone, your heart made of stone. So I gave you my own and you left me cold. Save me, I needed you to save me. But every single time you break me, every single time you break me. Ooh, you break me down, you wear me out. I can't breathe now, you let me down again. So where am I now? Start to feel good, then you come back.